Welcome to another episode of Wisdom Bytes. I am so glad and delighted to be in this forum, Wisdom Byte, to share my thoughts on the topic decision making. First of all, we must know what is decision making. Based upon the situations, occasions, or based upon the surroundings, on daily basis we used to take decisions. So these decisions are going to play a vital role in our future. As we know, past is past, present is more important because present will decide the future. So the decisions which you take in the present is going to have a prominent role in your life. There are some situations where we are not having any decision or control over our lives. For example, you can't decide your birthplace, your location, where you have to, where your like selection of your parents. It's not in your hands. Similarly, you can't predict your day to leave this world. That's your death. So in between this birth and death, you are undergoing process of like enriching, enhancing, daily modification. Like it's a continuous process of learning. Not only learning your syllabus or the knowledge from the books, you are learning from the entire environment of the universe. Through observations also you can see nature also taking decisions. Without knowing, we are also taking decisions. The reflex actions, when something is going to hit your eyes, suddenly you will be closing. The decision is instant. It's a stimulus, it's happening. So there are a lot of decision making happening without our control. So now my area of interest is that to discuss the area where we can take decisions to control our life. You must understand one thing, no decisions are 100% correct. There may be shortfalls. No one is perfect similarly. That is the law of life. As we know, the potential difference is there with positive and negative charge. Then only the electrons will be moving and current will be generated. Similarly, the potential difference in our life has to be maintained with positive as well as negative. So all the decisions may not be 100% correct. There may be small errors too. And some decisions are common decisions. The primary education till your class 10th is a common one. After that you are selecting your plus 2 or your PUC with your specialization in science, commerce, humanities, etc. That is your particular selection is the so-called interest or something, but actually that's not happening. Then also sometimes your decision may be wrong. You may be having a different perspective about science, but by learning you think, well, I don't think that this much mathematics was there. I don't think that the physics was so tough or the organic chemistry was so tough. But sometimes your decisions may be good. So while taking a decision, we must have a clear-cut idea. We must study like what the present condition. We must have some idea about what we are going to do. Then comparisons must be there. And what will be the outcome of this decision? If I am undergoing this process, what will be the end result? And what will be the shortcomings? So if you are having an analysis in your mind, definitely your decisions will be refined and will enhance the quality of your life. Decision making then comes to your career, like choosing the professional course or your degree program or going abroad, in your family, for a relationship, for good friendship. Everywhere decisions plays a vital role. One more thing I would like to add, you must have a priority for your decisions. For example, if I'm interested to buy a particular thing, let it be a property, a dress, or a vehicle, etc., I can get data from different people, but people will give you n number of suggestions, n number of reviews. Ultimately, you must have your own one identity or unique decision. Upon the feedback or based upon the prevailing reviews, you must have your own idea about the process. Otherwise, you will be just flowing within the waves. In order to survive in this world of challenges, you need to swim against the wave. You can observe the fishes who are alive used to swim against the waves in the sea. Similarly, we all must have the capacity and capability to shoulder the responsibility and move ahead with great decisions. So, once again, I wish you all a great life ahead, a quality life ahead with good health, wealth, and everything with good decisions. Thank you.